Hey, what's up everyone? Here we have a PPF disaster. This car came done by the competition and there is a lot of things that the customer wasn't happy about. So we are going to redo it. So let's start. You're gonna see a big gap over here. Normally is 1/8 of an inch. And here you can see almost a 1/2 inch. Not only doesn't look aesthetically pleasing, but obviously the purpose of PPF is to protect the paint from rock chips. Obviously a gap like this is not going to offer the maximum protection. Also, they didn't do a trim over here or they didn't post heat it, but this edge is peeling off and the dirt is getting trapped underneath. So this is obviously going to start peeling off, as you guys can see already. In addition to that, you're going to be looking here, the same gap. So this gap can be much better. It's better than the other side, but it's still way too far. They also didn't trim it correctly. So you have dirt trapped all underneath the edges. Here what they did is they actually went too high. So this way you have all the dirt underneath. So all of that should have been taken care of on the post inspection. So it looks like this car, there wasn't none upon inspection. And finally the headlight, this could be the material, but also there is a bunch of bubbles. Normally all of these gets taken care on the post inspection. And I believe there is one more piece on this side, right here. Same thing. You have very close to 1/8 of an inch, which is good here, but then it goes up, and as you can see, is already also a finger there. Here, there is also a lot of dirt being tracked. So, all in all, I will say that this PPF job, I don't know, for the Castro Oasis standards, this will be a very, very low number, but the customer wants us to redo it, so we are going to take care of it, and you're going to experience the Castro Oasis way.
Now we're going to remove this poorly installed PPF. It's crucial to be gentle during this process to avoid damaging the paint. Once the old film is off, we'll clean the surface thoroughly to ensure it's ready for a fresh installation. Here's where the magic happens. We start by aligning the PPF perfectly with the edges of the panels. No gaps here. Everything is covered to ensure maximum protection.
The Q5 S-Line SUV Audi is all set. It has no bubbles, no gaps, just the ultimate protection from Castro Oasis and Cabacha Pen Protection Film. Remember, that quality and experience matters, so always choose professionals for all your protection needs and to keep your car looking brand new. So please like, subscribe, and comment, and let us know what would you like to see next.